Hi everyone, I'm Raymond T. I'm the owner of the Homa. Okay, welcome to my Homa.
DTS Home.
DTS Homa. Yes.
Remember to click subscribe and notification button for more Abbas video.
Cooking apa?
So DTS Group, they are also starting their what they call a DTS Home Mart, which will actually feature all their seafood products. Very, very interesting. Let's go in and have a look. Oh, we have a dining area here. People can do food testing. Oh, looks very contemporary. So there is a lot of things here. I'll bring you one round. Later I will show you in specific specific items here. So here is we got what we call the frozen fish area. We have the douchang, a lot of different kind of fish. Most of these fish are actually using the nitrogen liquid to frozen. Actually, effectively, it can really last even until 2 years, but their expiry date written here is only 1 year because they don't want to scare people. They said if you put seafood for 2 years, people may not even believe. So they only put it like 1 year. Fish. Okay, all this is net wet, net wet. So they also have some ganho, dry fruit area, some chrysanthemum, ginger paste. Some of it, many of it is actually their own product. Dried shrimp chili paste. Wow, this looks really good also. Then we have also the seafood, frozen seafood here. Some mussels, some prawns, scallop, lala, squid ring. What is this? Wow, cuttlefish meat. Ooh, soft shell crab. And clam. Then they have some organic chicken here. Now they are actually selling some of this is very interesting. They have their satay chicken. I was told they even have their own fish chicken, also fish satay as well. Okay, so they get some free range chicken here, and also these are the chicken chop. They also pack it together with some ready-made sauce, so you can just buy and put the sauce in and pan fry. That's it. Very easy. And we have some barramundi fish more here, garupa, and I saw my favorite sea cucumber. Later I'm going to buy one sea cucumber from them. So we have some giant tiger grouper head. You will actually notice, besides selling the whole fish, they are also selling fillet, a bigger fish slice also, right? Like this green grouper slice, you just buy and there are a good number of fish slices inside. You can straight away cook it. Very, very convenient. I think the whole thing about this particular concept is to make things easier for end user. You can just buy their product and pan fry, done. Yeah, they give you the sauce. They will cut it into the shape that you like. This is their own chili paste. I heard this is one of their signature products. They sold thousands of different kinds of double boil soup, which you can, I think, especially during the Chinese New Year, I was told don't know how many thousands of soup has been sold together with their pun choy. I will show you in detail how this soup also looks like shortly. You can see, compared to the normal frozen seafood that you see outside, you can already tell by looking at it, the quality is very, very much different. It actually looks like as if it is still alive. The fish looks like it is still alive. See how beautiful it is. So that's the kind of thing that you can only achieve, not just because of the seafood is fresh, but also because they shorten the freezing time by using the technology of nitrogen liquid, which of course the cost to them is few times more than compared with the conventional method. Look at this. 这是海底鸡啊？
不是
昂卓。Look at this 昂卓。So beautiful. And they have one thing very interesting here. Let me very quickly show you. This number, FZ number. This FZ number is actually their IC. Have you seen an IC before for the fish? A birth cert. This is actually their birth cert. So using this, they can actually trace from which batch this fish is actually coming from. They are actually using the latest blockchain technology. Yeah, you hear Appa correctly. Yeah? A seafood company applying blockchain on seafood, on a fish. Okay, so that's how high tech there is. They're probably one of the first one in the world to do this, lah. All right. So you know exactly what you are eating. I think that's the most important part. You know exactly what you are eating. And like I mentioned earlier, also they don't just sell you the whole fish. They also make it into smaller sizes, or something like this. What fish is this? This is giant tiger grouper. Giant tiger grouper. Okay, so this one, ooh, looks really good. Now this is the sea prawn. Sea prawn they're also having. So the sea prawn, they will also, because it's not really packed by them, therefore it is already coming in the block. But this one here is the one which is rare. They will actually use their liquid nitrogen to freeze this. Will you be able to see the difference between the two? Can you see the difference? Let me tell you, the first difference is, most of the time when you buy this prawn outside, it will come with at least 20 to 30% water because of the ice. So you are also paying for the ice. So the net figure, the net weight that you are really getting is not really just the prawn, but including the ice. But this one, you don't see ice. You're only seeing the prawn. So you're paying just only for the prawn. And there's another thing. This one, if you want to eat, you have to defrost everything. But this, if you want to eat, let's say tonight I want to cook for 6 pieces for my family. I just take out 6 pieces, just like that. Because they are actually individually packed like that. Right? And you can only do this because they are using the liquid nitrogen. So this is their byproducts. They make some chicken satay, and they also have fish satay. I was told finish sold. Okay, too popular. So this is the kind of drumstick, deboned drumstick, and they also sell to you together with the sauce. So it makes things very easy. You just buy this, 12 ringgit, go back, pan fry, put on the sauce, done. And of course, they are also selling their chili paste separately. And this is the favorite thing I told you about just now. Very nice. Sea cucumber. Somehow, this year I fallen in love with sea cucumber because of the crispiness. I really like it. Okay, now we are looking at their signature product. Raymond just told me during this recent Chinese New Year, they sold over 6,000 of it. Over 6,000 of this double boiled soup. I didn't know about them. If not, Appa will also buy. So what you are looking at here is, this is, let me see, this is Hoa Jiao Cai Dan. Yeah? Hoa Jiao Cai Dan. So they already come in this tangzhong like that, yeah, already come in this. And also they have this Bao Yu Hoa Jiao. In order to really make this kind of soup at home, you need 5-6 hours. If you are as busy as Appa, you probably don't want to spend the 5-6 hours. This is the Hua Jiao Yu Tou. Oh, they all looks really good. I think I should definitely get one set later also from them. Okay, don't worry, Appa will be paying. So from all this, what they are doing, for all their product and byproducts, you can see, you can tell very clearly their concept. Their concept is all about making things easy for you, making things convenient for you. And if you are a busy parent, this is what they're going to help you. If you want to cook some fish porridge for your children, you don't have to go and debone the fish, slice the fish yourself. You can just buy their fish slices. It's already sliced and you can use it very conveniently. Yeah? So it's all about making things easier for you, and with very good quality and sure guaranteed quality, and through a very nicely controlled processing process. Yeah, and through also using the very high technology of an expensive technology of liquid nitrogen. So this is their first icon shop, concept shop. So very soon you are going to find a lot of this kind of shop by DTS, DTS Home Mart, to be around the whole Kuala Lumpur. You will, I think, slowly go out of Kuala Lumpur as well. King Tiger, 龍虎斑. Oh, live oyster. All this is actually supplied to the hotel. And lobsters. Oh, the lobster is huge. Humongous, at least 3 kg, I think.